Hello viewers, today in this video I am gonna show you how to fix your Need the official WhatsApp to login problem. Okay, let's start. See, this is the problem. Okay, let's fix it. After that, go back your home screen. First of all, uninstall your WhatsApp apps. Now tap one OK and go to your Play Store, download your WhatsApp apps. Search bar, now search your WhatsApp apps. Now go back your home screen and go to your any browser. Search bar, now search your WhatsApp support. Now click on Contact WhatsApp. Now click on Contact Us and click on Account Help. Now select your country. And enter your WhatsApp number. Now fill up the accurately. Now type your Gmail address. Now confirm your Gmail address. Now type your problem. Now click on next step. Now click on send request. After submit your request, WhatsApp team will help you to recover your brain WhatsApp number account. Thank you.